Morning. If you're watching this on the YouTube channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. It's going to be another day of dodging the downpours. The weather chopping and changing pretty regularly. Heavy showers sweeping up from the southwest. You can see the circulation here in the winds. That's an area of low pressure. A band of showery rain crossing through northern England into Northern Ireland, spreading up across southern Scotland, making for a pretty dull and damp afternoon through the central belt. In northern Scotland, maybe not quite as wet as yesterday, but we've got the northerly winds really setting in here, a sign of things to come. Whereas in the south, the wind's coming up from the south, quite gusty, especially close to these showers, which will be heavy at times. Hail and thunder mixed in as well. A lot of spray and surface water on the roads as these showers chug in around that area of low pressure. But with the southerly winds, it is quite mild, quite warm air. Temperatures with a bit of sunshine between the downpours, 18, maybe 19 Celsius. Whereas with the northerly winds, we're looking at 11 or 12 at the very best across northern Scotland. Now, as we go through this evening, the showers, if anything, becoming more widespread over South Wales, the Midlands, southern England, up towards East Anglia. So again, some very heavy downpours around. Not a great evening rush hour at all. The rain further north, maybe not as heavy, but sticking across parts of eastern Scotland, and with that wind coming in, won't feel very pleasant this time tomorrow morning. Temperatures, though, generally holding up in double digits, certainly across the south, mostly 11 or 12 Celsius in towns and cities. But the colder air is coming. There's more showers coming tomorrow as well. Staying pretty dull and damp across southeast Scotland, northeast England. Thick cloud here. The wind's coming in from the North Sea, so not feeling very pleasant at all. Sunnier spells further south, but again, plenty of showers developing during tomorrow afternoon. Again, a few heavy ones, but probably a drier day for South Wales, southern counties of England. A bit more in the way of sunshine, and a drier day too for central and western parts of Scotland with a bit more sunshine. But that northerly wind becoming more of a feature, so temperatures really struggling here, 9-10 degrees and feeling colder with the wind. Further south again with some brightness between the sunshine. Tomorrow we could see temperatures into the high teens, but it's going to turn cooler for Thursday. The rain coming in here across these eastern areas. You can still see the swirl. That's an area of low pressure, just heading slowly but surely out into the North Sea at this stage later tomorrow. Further south, this is ex-Hurricane Kirk, now named Storm Kirk by the French Weather Service, because it's going to bring them some very wet and windy weather, along with northern Spain and Portugal during Wednesday, as that system moves then across the Bay of Biscay. If anything, it's really these central southern parts of France that'll bear the brunt, but also the north coast of Spain too. Very gusty winds. Look at those isobars really pinching together there. The potential for some damaging gusts of wind across parts of France before that storm system then heads north. Looks like it's going to stay to the south of the UK, but certainly one to watch, taking some very wet and windy weather up across Germany. But for us, the key thing, it will introduce colder air from the north. As I said at the start, if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to hit subscribe and check out our full week ahead video on there for more details about the end of the week.